Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use Whereby on video conferencing and video meetings. No need for any installation, download or any other things. You just simply access this portal on any types of web browsing in any device, no matter for smartphone device, iPad, desktop, laptop. You can access any types of web browser and just type Whereby and open your online meeting page. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open any types of web browser and just type here Whereby and enter such kind of link is display here. Whereby meeting, easy video meeting within a no app or installation required, and then same meeting link every time. Whereby give you the freedom work from anywhere. It's amazing features for the particular application. So let's start. First, I create my account here using my Gmail address. I'm entering here. So my account is open whereby.com. Like my username is Sangram Singh Kaite. I can change this name username like Sangram Singh. Create Whereby application. Request the permission. Allow. My video call is this and my audio clarity is this. You can turn off your video call also here. Skip this one. Join this meeting and very easily I am join the meeting. I'm sending this particular link, otherwise I'm sending the QR code and very easily someone are join me. So it's just simple. I am join myself using my mobile device. So Whereby automatically, so simply I join using my mobile device. So look at this Whereby, request permission, allow, show who is joining me. The participate is one. So look at this. This is my camera and now I am open of my desktop also here. So this is my desktop screen and that one is my camera screen, and both screen are continuously ongoing here. It's amazing features. Fraction of second I joined this meeting using the QR code. It's amazing, and I can use this QR code as a number of times. Just like my link is this like whereby.com/Sangram Singh, and anyone are joining me in this particular link. It's amazing. I work with my company, my organization or school or colleges. That one is amazing features. They are introducing many different features, and one best advantage of this particular application, no installations are needed for the particular application. You can access the same link multiple times. One of the most advantage of this particular link, no need to installation of this application in your smartphone device or laptop screen. Look at this. You can up to 50 people you connect with this particular application. Some basic themes are there. You can change accordingly which themes you like. Here integrations options are available here. You can connect with your Google Drive or YouTube or different activities. Video audio clarity is there. Notifications, you can allow the notification. Someone are calling you, so very easily you can connect with him. General basic application language, which language you want. Some 5 to 6 languages are available on that particular application. Advancement features are there. Pre-call review, mobile mode, or automatically launch picture in picture system. So I am selecting picture in picture system. So here share options also available. You can share your desktop entire screen application or particular windows. That one is amazing features are there. You can record this call during the presentation or during the call. Some basic emoji features are available here, or some chat functions also available here. Camera features, you can off your screen and someone are visible here. So that one is amazing features on that particular application. How many participants are connected, all listed are showing here, and then simply leave the meeting. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.